And that's really why we're here. We're talking about how do we demystify the the farm tax process and make that easier for producers. Now, at the end of the day, what you're solving for is filling out this form here, and it's 2 pages front and back. It's fairly straightforward on paper, but then when you get into the weeds, you realize, man, it is actually helpful to have a financial expert or a software program or a farm accountant helping me understand what each of these lines mean. That's how I think about it. But at the end of the day, this is what we're solving for: a clean Schedule F to essentially communicate to the IRS what money we made and what money we spent on our farming business specifically. Now, Schedule F is what we're orienting around here, but I want to flag, especially for first-time producers or if this is your first year going through farm taxes, Schedule F may not be the only tax form you have to complete for your operation, depending on the sophistication of it. Another form that we commonly see producers having to fill out is the Schedule C. Now, Schedule Cs can apply for many types of small businesses that aren't agricultural. But if you also happen to sell value added products that you produce on your farm, say if you've made your berries into jam, or if you have another value additive process like that, you may also have to fill out the Schedule C form in addition to the Schedule F. And the Schedule C will have unique categories on it. So think about like what you're producing and whether any of those products are value additive products. And if so, you may have to go with the Schedule C. Similar if you have, multiple businesses, like you may have your farm business and a construction business that you're tracking, you may have to think about the Schedule C there too. But the Schedule F is what we are fixating on in this presentation because it is the core of the agricultural reporting forms for tax times. And this is for anyone who is producing and selling an agricultural product on your farm. This is the sort of your communication tool to the IRS. But what's really interesting is the categories on your Schedule F map not perfectly, but broadly to other farm financial statements, like your balance sheet, your income statement. And so as you are moving forward in the year and tracking your expenses in whatever system you choose to use, whether it be pen and paper or a software tool, that same categorization that you are enabling through Schedule F will also help you build clean agricultural balance sheets and income statements.